Hey man, stop calling! Boy, stop! Don't talk from here! Hi guys, it's Tig's Garage here. So today we're learning about a 2005 Jeep LJ. These tires are 42-inch tires. So these tires are used for rock crawling and off-roading if you wanted to. You're wondering why these wheels are so scratched? They're scratched because when you go like off-roading, rocks go like they hit it and it scrapes. So it's like the middle comes off. As you guys saw, the back and front tires as you guys saw, the front tires, these are the back tires. They both get scratched because they're both a part of the car, so they both get scratched too. Look at the side step of the car. It's almost my height. Let me see if I can even put my foot on it. Oh God. Oh God. Find me. That was hard. But at least I'm in the car now. Why would they put racing seats in an off-roading car? And guess what these headsets are for? So these headsets are for, like, you don't have to keep calling each other when you're off-roading. So if you're like off-roading and if you don't want to call, you just do this. Hey man, stop calling! Boy, stop! Don't talk from here! Pop, pop, pop. That's what it's for. So guys, these are the 5-point harness straps. Let me try to put it on. This is army. It's like an army thing. It's just gonna take a long time too. Oh my. So this is a winch, as you can see. So this winch, if you're like stuck, you pull it to the tree and it'll pull the car to the tree and you'll not be stuck. If one of your friends gets stuck, you can pull them out with your wrench too. Winch, 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 winch. These are coilovers. What do coilovers mean? Coilovers change the height of your car. So, like,
if you tried to run over my dad's Toyota.
So guys, now we're going inside. Does anybody know what this metal piece is used? I'll give you 5 seconds to comment down below. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. The meaning is, if you flip over, the roll cages help you not to break your head. If you guessed that, good for you. Good for you. quality, yeah, it's very good for you because you know a lot about cars. And one feature about this car is the roll cage. So these roll cages, if you like flip over, you're gonna like you won't fall out of a car. There's a walkie-talkie that you could talk to people, like it's a siren. Helicopter, helicopter.
Helicopter, helicopter.
My all-time favorite is the tires. They're 42 inches tall. Guys, look how sick they are. It makes the car look like an actual toy. Well, you can pay with a toy this big, but... So these keys are used to open the car. And I like the style of the keys. They look cool. The paint is unscratchable, so that means you can't scratch it at all. And see, it's bumpy, right? But when you touch it, it doesn't even feel bumpy. I wish you could just come out of the camera and just touch it. Like, thousands of hands could come out and like, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Bye.